Being able to express myself makes me have a sense of pride and independence. I like to express myself through my cooking and my sense of fashion. It makes me feel refreshed and empowered because I feel like I can do anything, I look good, so I'm proud. I feel that the Y has made me more confident in what I do by putting me in different environments to make me maneuver through the obstacles. The person that made me want to join the Achievers program was my mom. She's inspired me the most. She helps me be better because she knows I can do better. It makes me push harder and harder in everything I do. Be you, don't try to be anybody else because it's not gonna work because you're not them. You should be yourself. Be as you are and do what you think is best for you.